Uniform gun laws in every state. Gun laws in the United States regulate the sale, possession, and use of firearms and ammunition. Weapon laws can vary dramatically from state to state and are independent of existing federal firearm laws. Individual states have the right to require permits for gun possession and to specify where and when guns may be possessed and carried openly or concealed. Some states give gun owners more rights than others do, and some states also have laws that either allow or prohibit you from openly carrying a gun in public. These are called open carry laws. Generally, states fall into one of four categories. 1. Permissive open carry states, allowing you to carry a gun without a permit or a license. 2. Licensed open carry states, allow gun owners to carry firearms openly after they are issued a permit or a license. 3. Anomalous open carry states, carrying a gun openly may be generally lawful under state laws, but local governments may pass their own gun laws that are more restrictive than the state's laws. And 4. Non-permissive open carry states. Carrying a gun is against state laws or is legal only in limited circumstances, for example, hunting or target shooting. So you see, gun laws can get pretty perplexed from state to state. Firearm owners are subject to the laws of the state they are in, and not exclusively their state of residence. Mutual relationships or reciprocity between states exists only in certain situations, so it can get kind of complicated and confusing between states, such as with regard to concealed carry permits. The laws are recognized on a state-by-state basis. For example, Idaho recognizes an Oregon permit, but Oregon does not recognize an Idaho permit. Some states do not recognize out-of-state permits to carry a firearm at all, so it's important to understand the laws of each state when traveling with a handgun. In many cases, state firearm laws can be much less restrictive than federal firearm laws. State and local police are not legally obligated to enforce federal gun laws. Uneven regulation across states makes guns available to criminals in all states. A federal study found that many of the guns recovered from crimes can be traced back to initial purchases in states with fewer restrictions. As a result, a state with relatively strong gun control laws is at the mercy of the other states that might have weaker or no laws. So federal laws are absolutely vital. Who should regulate guns? The federal government or the states? In my opinion, gun laws should be regulated by the federal government, because this is an issue that has a lot to do with the Second Amendment, and they should be able to alter the laws that have to do with the amendments. There needs to be unified and simple nationwide laws that regulate guns and not be confused with individual, separate, and divided state laws. Thank you for listening.